Hello students, welcome to St. Anne's online classes. Students, we are working from home. So in this video, we are going to discuss the question number 3 of exercise miscellaneous exercises. Okay. So now in this question, we have to prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equals to this expression. So here I am taking LHS. So here as I can see that this is the form of cos a plus cos b. So I will apply the formula of cos a plus cos b, then open the square. Same here, I will apply the formula of sin a minus sin b. Okay. So now the formula of cos a plus cos a plus cos b is 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos a minus b upon 2. Its whole square plus. Now here the formula of sin a minus sin b is 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sin a minus b upon 2's whole square. Okay, so now that would be 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Okay, that would be 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2. So students, from here as we can see that x square x plus y2 is a common. So I am taking 4 cos square x plus y upon 2 as a common. So we will be left with cos square x minus y upon 2 plus sin square x minus y upon 2. So these two are same. So as we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this expression will becomes 1. So we will left with equals to 4 cos square x plus y upon 2, which is equals to our RHS. Hence proved. So was it very simple? If you have very good command on the formulas, these questions are way too easy to solve. Okay, so first of all you have to remember all the formulas, then you are good to go. Okay, so now please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 4. All questions are very similar to each other. Just you need to put the formulas and you'll get your answer. So question number 4 says that cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equals to 4 sin square x minus y upon 2. But this question is exact similar to the question number 3. You first of all you have to put the formula of cos a minus cos b, then sin a minus sin b. You'll get something in common and you'll get this. So I hope you can solve it. So I'm just giving you a hint that you have to put cos a minus cos b over here, sin a minus sin b formula over here, and you'll get the answer. So this is in your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Okay friends. Now look at the question number 5. Question number 5. So question number 5 says that sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x equals to 4 cos x cos 2x and sin 4x. Okay students, so now from here I am taking LHS. So here I can put the formula of sin a plus sin b, and here as well sin a plus sin b. So I am putting sin a plus sin b over here and sin a plus sin b over here. So there that would be 2 sin a plus b upon 2, x plus 3x 4x upon 2, it means 2x. So that would be 2 sin 2x into cos a minus b upon 2. So x minus 3x minus 2x upon 2, it means minus x plus. Now apply over here as well. So 2 sin a plus b 12x upon 2 6x into cos a minus b 5x minus 7x minus 2x upon x, it means what? Minus x. And but we know that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So doesn't matter it is cos minus x, cos minus I can write it like as cos x as well. Okay, so no issue. So now from here we can take cos x as a common. So take 2 cos x as a common. So we will left with sin 2x plus sin 6x. Okay, so now apply the formula of sin a plus b again, sin a plus sin b. So that would be 2 sin a plus b 2x plus 6x 8x upon 2 4x into cos a minus b 2x minus 6x minus 4x upon 2, it means minus 2x, and cos minus theta is equal to plus theta. so that would be simply cos 2x. I hope that there is no issue. 2 to the 4, so that is 4 cos x cos 2x into sin 4x, that is equals to our RHS. Hence proved. So students, please pause the video and note it down. Students, now look at the question number 6. Question number 6 is that sin 7x plus sin 5x, sin 7x plus sin 5x plus sin 9x plus sin 3x upon cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 9x plus cos 3x, that we have to prove equals to tan 6x. Okay. Now look at the question. But from here I will apply the formula of sin a plus sin b, sin a plus sin b, cos a plus cos b and cos a plus cos b. So just apply. So I am taking LHS. So that would be 2 sin a plus b upon 2. 7x plus 5x, 12x upon 2 means 6x. 2 sin 6x into cos a minus b, 7 minus 5, 2 upon 2x. So this is simply x. Plus 2 sin 9 and 3, 12 upon 2, 6x into cos 9x minus 3x, 6x upon 2, it means 3x upon cos a plus cos b, 2 cos a plus b upon 2, 7 plus 5, 12 upon 2, it means 6x into cos 7 minus 5, 2 upon 2, cos x, plus 2 cos 9 plus 3, 12 upon 2, 6x into cos 9 minus 3, 6x upon 2, it means 3x. So as we can see that we can take 2 sin 6x as a common from the numerator. So we will left with cos x plus cos 3x. In the denominator we can take 2 cos 6x as a common and we will left with cos x plus cos 3x. That would be cancelled out. 2 would be cancelled out. Sin 6x upon cos 6x, sin theta upon cos theta equals to tan theta. So that would be tan 6x equals to RHS. Hence proved. Students, please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 7. Sorry. Question number 7 says that sin 3x plus sin 2x minus sin x equals to 4 sin x cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2, that we have to prove. Okay, so I am taking LHS. So I am applying the formula of sin a minus b in sin 3x minus sin x plus sin 2x. I have done it because when I will add 3x plus x, that will be 4x upon 2x. So I can take sin 2x as a common. So now apply the formula of sin a minus sin b. Okay, so that would be 2 cos a plus b upon 2. 3x plus x, 4x upon 2, it means 2 cos 2x into sin a minus b upon 2. 3x minus x, 2x upon 2, that is sin x plus sin 2x. So that is 2 cos 2x into sin x, and beta sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So from here I can take 2 sin x as a common. So I will left with cos 2x plus cos x. 2 sin x. Now apply the formula of cos a plus cos b. So that would be 2 cos a plus b upon 2. So 2x plus x, 3x upon 2 into cos a minus b, 2x minus x, x upon 2. So x upon 2. So 2 to the 4 sin x cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. That is equals to our RHS. Hence, look how easy these questions are if you remember the formula. Okay, students, so please pause the video and note it down. So before we move forward to the question number 8, 9 and 10, these three questions are similar. We have to know the half angle formula. As we know that cos 2x was cos square x minus sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Similarly, sin 2x was 2 sin x cos x. So here one thing is very clear. When the angle was twice 2x, then in the formula we got the half angle of this. This was 2x, then here we got half of this means x. Suppose if I have the formula of cos 4x, so that would be cos square 2x minus sin square 2x, 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Whatever angle we have in the left hand side, exact half angle we'll use in the right hand side. So if I will ask to find the formula of cos x, so that would be half of that. So that would be 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x would be 2 sin x by 2 dot cos x by 2. Tan x equals to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan square x by 2. So we can break these formula into half angles as much. And even I can write any formula, x by 8, x by 16. What I have to do, whatever angle is over here, I have to just use the half of angle in the side. If I have to find the formula of cos x by 2, so that would be 2 cos square x by 4 minus 1. Half of x by 2 is x by 4. So we can calculate, we can evaluate n number of formulas from these basic formulas. Okay students, so please pause the video and note it down.